Hello everyone. In this video we are going to add a heat pump to control the temperature of the building. First we are going to make a copy of this project because we are going to use this project for another HVAC system for this building. Copy the building files also. Open the copy of the project. Import the building file. Update the variables list. Run the simulation to check if everything is okay. Simulation is completed successfully. The cooling load of the building is 36,488 kilojoules per hour. Open the building file and turn off heating and cooling for both zones. Delete the links between HVAC settings and the building. Add an air source heat pump. Rename the heat pump. Select the external files for heating and cooling. Let's open the files. Here we have one flow rate row and 3 temperature rows. We will use 944 liters per second flow rate. The first column presents total cooling capacity, and the second column shows sensible cooling capacity at different temperatures and flow rates. Let's change the parameters. Now we will edit the building and add 2 outputs from the building. First one is zone temperature and second one is relative humidity. We will only select lower one zone because we will add heat pump to this zone only. Select the outputs. Update the building's variables list. Now connect the building to the heat pump for return air. Connect temperatures and relative humidities. Connect the weather data to the heat pump also. Now we will add a thermostat for heating and cooling. We will use the default parameters here. The thermostat will monitor the zone temperature. Open the HVAC settings and adjust the set point temperatures according to occupied and unoccupied time periods. Connect the temperatures to the thermostat. Connect the thermostat to heat pump. Thermostat will give the signal to the heat pump to turn it on or off. Create a new output variable fan on which will turn on the fan for fresh air when the building is occupied. Link this variable to fan control signal in heat pump. Open the HVAC settings and edit the ventilation flow rates by removing the unit's conversions from the equations. Now the flow rates are in liter per second. Now we need to find how much fresh air is mixed with return air before it enters the heat pump. Define a new output variable outside air damper, which is equal to ventilation flow rate divided by 944 liters per second. Now connect this variable to outside air damper position. Now we will add two new variables for auxiliary heating for the heat pump. Now add two more thermostats for auxiliary heating. Change the temperature deadband to 3 for first stage auxiliary and the cooling temperature to 99 so that it may not turn on. Now link the zone temperature to monitoring temperature for the first stage auxiliary thermostat. Link the auxiliary temperature variable to heating temperature in the thermostat. Now connect the heating signal in thermostat to stage 1 supplemental control signal in heat pump. For stage 2 auxiliary heating, the temperature deadband is 4. Connect the stage 2 temperature variable to heating set point. Connect the zone temperature to monitoring temperature. Finally, connect the thermostat to the heat pump. Now remove the temperature, relative humidity, and flow rate connections between weather data and the building. Now connect the heat pump to the building as shown. Change the time step to 5 minutes. Finally, we are ready to run the simulation. Let's check the zone temperature. Heating and cooling temperatures are according to our desired temperatures for lower Zone 1. Observe the temperature difference between Zone 1 and Zone 2. With this, we conclude our project. In the next series of videos, we are going to use this building for another project. Subscribe for more videos.